mail call today. Got the mag for the 350 Legend I'm building downstairs. Also got some other parts in. Little sneak peek at the next project. 556. It's either going to be a 6-position carbine stock or a A2. I'm not sure yet. Alright, more on that one later. I'm waiting on a muzzle brake and scope ring. It should be here hopefully in today's mail. This stuff come FedEx, but the mail lady hasn't come yet. It's early. Alright, I just wanted to update you on that. One more part, getting a little closer. Hopefully the next video will be together.